Hi, I have in front of me a Dado trunking coupler. So you can see the basic design. This is the side that will be exposed outwardly. And on the inside here, we have clips here. So we have a total of 4 clips. The 2 clips here will go on the side of the trunking, and then the 2 clips here clip onto the ridge in the center. And the basic idea of where we'd use this coupler is if we had 2 pieces of Dado trunking where we're simply extending a run. So what we have is we have a run that ends here. So what we would do is we'd simply get the cover, and on the side piece here on the top, what we do is we simply either push back the trunking just a tiny bit, and it allows us then to come along and clip directly onto it. So I'm going to bring the Dado trunking in here. But just to mention, this is available with low cost shipping directly from freetv.ie. It's part of a much wider range of Dado trunking and accessories we have, or indeed a much wider range of trunking generally. But I just rotate this over here, and you can see with the Pemco trunking that we have here, what we have is this point and here, and this will be correspond to where these clips will go in, and then we have here and here where the outer clips will go on. So we'd have them butting up. We wouldn't have this pushed back quite so far, but I just pushed it back an extra little piece so we can see the profile here. What we'll do then is, if we look here, we'll see that the clip in the center doesn't go all the way to the edge. So what we can do is we can clip this at the edge, and it'll just cover the 2 sides where it's shining onto, okay? So we can clip it on here, and it has, and then when we look at the trunking, all we can see is a continuous run. Now you could come along and not use the coupler here, but it just gives a much nicer finish when you use something like this. So this is why we made the decision to cover the full range of accessories, from couplers to internal and external blends, to flat bends, to tees, etc. All of those just to make sure they're available and ready to go in terms of giving a very comprehensive solution. So what would happen here is, if I was to get this here, I would just push it on from the top, I'd clip it, and clip on the 4 sides, and it just clips on, and we would have that and just pushes down directly onto the other side here. So overall, it's part of a nice design. All of the equipment here, in terms of the trunking that we sell on freetv.ie, is designed and manufactured here in Ireland. So that's a nice add-on in relation to it. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Dado trunking coupler available on freetv.ie.